Size: double fine XXF. Mix with 3XF plus XXF plus XF. Multifunction nail drill. 5-in-1, professional for nail artists. Cross Slim Edition. Different sizes of coarseness on the surface of drill. From top to the base of drill, the coarseness changes from fine to middle to coarse. You don't need to change another drill for different size during working. 2 rotate directions. It's suitable for right-handed nail artists, and also for left-handed. And meantime, 2 directions for choose in different situation. Both for right hand and left hand use. Made of tungsten steel, high hardness, long-term life. Shank. 3/32, 2.35 mm. Triple Coarse 3XC, Double Coarse 2XC, Extra Coarse, XC, Coarse circa. They has big size crosscut teeth. They are suitable for hard gels. We recommend rotate speed on 15,000 to 20,000. Middle, M, Fine, F. With this 2 sizes teeth, you could to remove soft nail gels. Recommend 10,000 to 20,000 speed. Extra Fine, XF, Double Fine, XXF. The teeth is very small and close. Speed on 10,000 to 20,000 to remove base gels. Top reviews from the United States. The only drill bit you'll ever need. This 5-in-1 drill bit is amazing. I absolutely love it, and it is just as good as the ones that are sold by the big name brands. Do you see my cuticles, honey? I was able to get the perfect shape that I want it. This is a great buy, and you definitely need it if you want flawless cuticles.